Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to edit your website, make quick changes or manage content directly from your phone, using GoDaddy Websites Builder on mobile is totally possible in 2026, as long as you know what you can and can't do from a phone. So most frustration comes from expecting full desktop features on mobile. We will set the right expectations and show you the smartest workflow. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to use Daddy or GoDaddy Websites Builder on mobile in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, access GoDaddy Websites Builder on mobile. So you have two ways to use it on your phone. Okay, so GoDaddy or mobile app, best performance, built for phones, easier navigation, available on iOS App Store or Google Play Store. So search for GoDaddy and login. Okay, and we have the option B, mobile browser. Okay, it's limited, works for basic edits, harder to use, desktop features may be hidden. App is strongly recommended. Okay, so open your websites in the app. Inside the GoDaddy app, login, tap website, as we did or as we do always here. Okay, and select your website and tap edit sites. Okay, like we have here, and you will have something or a page like this. This opens the mobile friendly editor. Okay, it's not the same as this one, but it's good. Okay, so to edit text, tap on any text section, tap edit, modify the text, and then save. Perfect for fixing typos, updating prices, and changing headlines. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.